everybody in my channel. Today we are going to proceed to the next question for the differentiable calculus question. Let's come we start. Question is that f y is equal to x square f x square y plus y square is equal to c1. Prove that 2xy and 2dx plus x square plus 2y dy is equal to 0. Very interesting question. We want to prove this result. How we can find the value of this proof? Let's come we start. So given that x square y plus y square is equal to c1, we are differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Now differentiating with respect to x on each sides of this equation. So dy by dx x square y plus y square is equal to dy by dx c1. So now we are dy by dx apply to the both terms, and here dy by dx x square y plus dy square divided by dx, as and here is constant is equal to 0. That is the rule. If any constant we are differentiating with respect to x, so here is x is not available, constant is available, so we have take the derivative of this constant function is equal to 0. Now here is we are using the product rule. If we consider this will be u function and this will be v function, so the product rules of this function, we have the derivative of with respect to u and v function, u and v dash means first derivative, plus and v and u dash. According to this rule we are applying on this term. We are proceeding. This function is, we can write in here x square and dy by dx plus, and y is outside, and dy by dx x square plus 2y and dy by dx is equal to 0. Square dy by dx plus y, and derivative of this function we can write with respect to x 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we are taking according to the value here 2xy is in here. We arrange this from x square dy by dx plus, we can write 2xy plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now dy by dx we are taking common, dy by dx, and here x square plus 2y dy by dx taking common plus 2xy is remaining is equal to 0. Next we are required 2xy dx. It means that this dx is multiplying on both sides, multiplying multiplying dx on both sides. So we get in here x square plus 2y dy by dx is also multiplied in here, plus 2xy dx is also multiplied, and here is also multiply on both sides. This will be cancelled. Write this result x square plus 2y, and here is remaining dy plus 2xy dx is equal to 0. Now we are required, we arrange the term according to this term. The term, rearrange the terms. So first we can write, because this is addition, we can write 2xy dx plus x square plus 2y dy is equal to 0, which is the required result, verified. Thank you very much for subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Please share this video more and more.